Alright, so for this video, we're going to talk a little bit about Orient. It was written by the same author that made Magi. So there are a couple of similar aspects to that anime as well. So starting off this video, in the world of Orient, you have bands or groups of people, militaristic armies that are known as Bushi. And their sole purpose is to go around the world pretty much and destroy Kishin and Oni. To do this, you see the weapons that they have. These are called Kitetsuo. They are literally described as demon weapons. Or demon metal weapons. And this is pretty much akin to Magi's metal vessel weapons. However, instead of going into a dungeon to get a Jin, you would have to go through a sword trial in which once you hold this demon weapon, it will automatically make you go to a near-death experience in which you will experience your entire life up until the current point. If you pass this test, you will be granted a soul color. And this is very important considering what you want to do in whatever band that you're going to be a part of. I will go into all of the other colors in more detail in a later video, but for right now, if you got a blue one, then you have the most common soul color, and you're basically used for controlling soul energy to be able to link up with other fighters or other Bushi in order to deliver a final blow against the Kishin. If you have a green soul, then your specialty will be considered to be sealing as well as restricting movement in order to keep the Kishin in place so that your other teammates can do the deed. If you have a yellow soul, then you are pretty much your team's healer. You are their amplifier. You are their defense, their shield. You provide all of that stuff. But if you are red is the most rare out of those four colors. You are the attacker. You have the most destructive power of all of the other colors. And you are likely going to be at the forefront in which the blue and the green are pretty much sending that energy to. They're going all to you. However, there is one more ultra rare soul color, and it is the white soul color. And this is something that is so rare in the series that only 2 people out of 154 chapters have been shown to have a white soul. I'll go into more detail about them in another video, but just know that your powers as a white soul Bushi, you are pretty much godlike.